Standing tall in Shirley Croydon, Shirley Windmill has quietly watched the seasons pass for over 160 years. Today, it stands restored, a living monument to the age when wind, wood, and brick powered daily life. Join me as we explore its history, mechanics, and stories of survival. The story of Shirley Windmill begins not with this brick tower, but with an earlier post mill. In 1808, William Alwen erected a post mill here in Shirley, the roots of local milling. Over the decades, the Alwen family maintained and operated the site. But in October 1854, the post mill was destroyed by fire. That same year, Richard Alwen, grandson of William, built the current tower mill to replace the lost structure. Interestingly, some parts of the mill, like a beam dated 1740, suggest materials were reused, possibly from another mill. The cost to build the new mill was about £2,000, a significant investment at the time. Over time, industry changed. The rise of steam-powered roller mills, which were independent of wind and produced finer flour, put windmills like Shirley under economic pressure. Eventually, the Alwen family operations ceased, and by 1892, the mill was only grinding animal feed under Alfred Rayson. Shortly after, the mill was abandoned entirely, but nature did not treat it gently. In 1899, lightning struck. In April 1906, one sail caught fire. Local fire brigades intervened to save what they could. With no working miller and mounting decay, the mill slowly deteriorated. By suburban expansion in the early 20th century, many feared the windmill would be lost altogether. Yet in 1927, a local resident, George Given, purchased the land and began to restore the mill, replacing the sails and the fantail. In 1935, one of the sails was blown off in a gale. Another major renovation took place soon after to refit the machinery, including a new great spur wheel from Lister Brothers in Woolwich and sails made by Thomas Hunt, the well-known millwright. In 1951, the windmill and its land were acquired by Croydon Corporation. Later, when the John Ruskin School was built around it, the windmill was threatened with demolition, but it was protected by its Grade 2 listing and community advocacy. In the 1990s, a key turning point arrived. A Heritage Lottery Fund grant of approximately £218,100 was awarded to convert the mill into a museum and restore it to working order. Most recently, in 2008, the sails were damaged by rose-ringed parakeets, but restoration was completed in 2010 at a cost of approximately £45,000. Today, thanks to the Friends of Shirley Windmill, a volunteer group in partnership with Croydon Council, the mill is open to the public on select days. The windmill is a tower mill, specifically a 5-story brick tower. It stands about 55 feet, approximately 16 to 17 meters, high to the top of its cap. The base diameter is around 21 feet, tapering to 11 feet at the curb. It carries 4 double patent sails mounted on a cast-iron windshaft. Its cap is of the Kentish style, and it's winded by an 8-bladed fantail. Today, Shirley Windmill is typically open to visitors on the first Sunday of each month from June to October. While not all levels might be accessible, the mill offers a chance to climb through its floors and see the internal gearing, the millstones, and the engineering that powered grain into flour. Shirley Windmill stands as more than an old building. It is a bridge across time, from agrarian era to industrial change, from neglect to revival. It tells a story of community, resilience, and heritage. It is one of only 4 windmills in Greater London open to the public. It holds within its walls layers of local ambition and adaptation. So when you visit, listen for the creak of timber, the whisper of gears, and imagine the hands that turned those stones. This is not just a relic. It is a living link to how people once harnessed wind to feed a community.